Welcome back to another video, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, another top tier listing, guys. This is Wormhole. We're going to deep dive into the details of this listing and of course the project in general. So make sure you stick around to the end of the video. Thank you for joining me once again. Your support is always appreciated. Go ahead, hit that like, subscribe, and tick that notification bell to stay in tune with my future videos. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we are looking at, of course, the OKX exchange, and there is a new hot listing about to go live in only around 20 minutes. We are going to explore 17 minutes right now. We are going to explore exactly the details of this listing and, of course, what is this listing. If we are to jump on over, it is Wormhole. W is the ticker, and that is against the pairing of USDT on the OKX exchange. But there is some potential more bullish news coming, of course, towards the end of this video. Deposits are already open as of April the 1st. Spot trading will commence in around about 17 minutes on the OKX exchange. That is just spot right now, guys. And if you are interested in trading both directions of the market, keep your eyes open because they will more likely than not, I cannot guarantee, open up perpetuals, meaning that you can benefit both directions of the market. Now, there are some general information on the OKX website and exchange whereby Wormhole is an interoperability platform powering multi-chain applications and bridges at scale. Max supply here and the contract address as well. But we're going to deep dive a little bit into that towards the end of this video. Looking at the general markets, yes, we see Flare moving. ENA is up nicely here and Core a nice 12%. I do have a previous video on Core as well. If you did want to check that out, you can see that right here. In addition, Solana moving 5.2%. Now, Solana is a bit of a key player or stakeholder in the new listing of W, and the reason that is because for some reason it is on a different page right now. But if we jump across to Wormhole news, you can see straight down the bottom that Wormhole is a leading interoperability platform that powers multi-chain applications and bridges and scale. This is all based on the Solana chain right here. You can see that with the contract. Now, if we are to look up, you can see that Wormhole is also listing on Kraken. It is also listing on other exchanges just like KuCoin as well. I mean, KuCoin, Kraken, and of course Tier 1 OKX. This is going to be, it's going to have a lot of movement, ladies and gentlemen. And of course, always be careful on listings because these are volatile times. I mean, there's going to be a lot of potential selling pressure. Now, the selling pressure upon launch comes, of course, from all the airdrops that are done, mostly with projects, and with this one, they also had one as well. So be very careful of that. But overall, we can see 351,000 followers, of which many well-known people and also projects like Python Network are following them as well. This could be indicative of some kind of good community behind the team, and you can see more about their information on their link tree. They do have their website, their LinkedIn, and other things like that. So this is very, very important, obviously, when you're doing your DDs behind a project as well, guys. So Wormhole, let's explore a little bit more about what you can do with it via their website. On their website, it is the web of Web3. Hundreds of companies and applications use Wormhole's blockchain connectivity platform to securely and scalably grow their user base, increase market share, and drive more on-chain activity. Now, there are products currently. Their protocols are messaging, data, queries, front-end frameworks, and of course, blockchain. All done very scalable, less costs, and of course, very secure. This is very interesting for a lot of developers, and it's going to be extremely insightful to see how, I guess, many developers are going to adapt and of course build using Wormhole. So this is very interesting. But now let's jump on to the listing and have a look. Okay, and the countdown has begun. We have 5 seconds left before W Wormhole against USDT is going live right now on the OKX exchange. Let's have a look at the volatility that's going to come through right now. W, and it's not even loaded yet. There it is. It is live at 40 cents is the live price of this token right now. And you can just see the volatility, ladies and gentlemen. This is on the daily wick, right? We went live at 40 cents and it is just tested $1.80. That is massive. So one must always be careful of the volatility upon launch. This seems to be a strong launch so far, but it is hard to tell what is to be expected due to, again, the mentioned selling pressure that is likely to come through right now due to the airdrop campaign that they did run as well, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye.